James York Whenua. I'm a carver from Dunedin, originally from Southland. Been doing my mahi now for about 30 odd years. The project sort of started really quite a long time ago. There was a carving placed on Whenua Hou by a guy called Rapuwai. What's happened with that mahi is it started to rot away, and so they were looking for a bit of a replacement to put something else up there. So that was really where the whole concept of putting a po on Whenua Hou was. That's where it kind of began. The tōtara logs were sourced from Whenua Hou, which I think was pretty cool. Gives it a lot more weight to it. It's actually sort of through walking through the bush that we found a lot of ringbarked tōtara and stuff like that, you know, so it sort of inspired the concept. Got a general plan. Basic concept is based around poha, like the traditional kelp bags for packing the tītī in. This main po here, tangata nehara, I'm sort of doing it more in an older traditional sort of style. Kind of got a nupuku in the middle of the po. I suppose it kind of comes from like a po whenua, a weapon or a marking stick, you know, but it's to mark the spot. It's about standing our ground on that island and marking our spot to say that we're there. It is an acknowledgement to our tribe as well.